hey guys, now that deer season's over and you got a freezer full of deer meat, what are you gonna do with it? So I got something for you right here. I got some breakfast sausage, some jalapeno maple breakfast sausage that my buddy Charlie makes. So when I first met my buddy Charlie, he said to me, he's a deer processor. I'm like, okay, you're a deer processor. That's cool. I don't let other men handle my meat, so don't really care that you're a deer processor. He quickly changed my mind about that come this past deer season. And he turned me on to this breakfast sausage that he makes on the smoker. It's awesome. Check it out. Breakfast sausage that my buddy Charlie whipped up for us. So I've got the Pit Boss smoker going right here, and I'm burning some competition pellets, Pit Boss competition pellets. I'm gonna be running a smoke tube here. All that is some pellets, just the regular old pellets that go in the pellet smoker, in a stainless steel tube here with a bunch of little holes. I'll leave a description of this stuff also. And it adds some smoke to your pellet grill smoker. They're not really smokers. They are called smoke tubes. All you do, you don't have to put it in there like that, but I like to put it in there. That way, any of the pellets that don't get into it go right back into the hopper. So what I'm going to do right there is I'm going to stop right there. I've got a layer of smoke burning right there, so I'm going to get a lot of this going. I want a lot of smoke. So you're going to just get this going, and you're going to get it to where it catches fire, and you want to let it burn, and it will burn out to where it just starts to smoke. That's when it's ready. All right, so I'm getting my pellets going in my smoke tube. I should have had this closed. We're gonna get the temperature up to 350, and that's when we're gonna go ahead and put our sausages on. All right, guys, we got the Pit Boss up to 350. We're gonna go ahead and put our biscuits on and our sausage. And put our biscuits up there. Put our biscuits down there. Side. Take some sausage. All right, we're gonna go ahead and check our sausage. Just rotate it just a little bit. A little bit. And close back up. Oh, that sausage is looking good. Those biscuits. Pit Boss biscuits, baby. Yeah. Y'all are missing out if y'all haven't tried these. There it is, y'all. The best deer breakfast sausage you'll ever have. On YouTube, you have to say it's yummy. You can't say it's yucky.
It is yummy. Why do you say it's yucky? It's delicious.
All right, guys, moment of truth. I don't know what it tastes like. Heaven. Best deer sausage in the world right there. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep stuffing my face with sausage.